Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Green Room. I'm Tanisha, and today I have this everyday sort of a chic, polished makeup look, like a no makeup look for all those chashmish beauties out there. So if you're somebody who wears spectacles and you want to figure out your everyday sort of a hassle, so yeah, please keep on watching. You will love it. To start off, I'm taking the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer and just gonna smear that all onto my face to make sure that the makeup glides on smoothly and also stays all day long. For my foundation, I'm gonna be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation and Pond's BB Cream and gonna blend it all out with my Nykaa sponge. Just a sheer layer, not too much. Taking my LA Pro Conceal Concealer, which is in my shade, by the way, I'm gonna be concealing those dark circles very nicely and also highlighting all those high points of my face. Spectacles can make you look like as if you have dark circles, guys, so make sure to conceal nicely because that's not the look you want, right? So yeah, now just blending that all out with my sponge. Taking the K-Beauty Banana Loose Powder, I'm taking it on my beauty blender and just gonna do a false baking kind of a thing. It will make sure it stays all day and also highlight it even more. Taking my Sugar Bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder. It's a natural bronzer to my skin tone. So yeah, just doing a slight bit of bronzing and warming up of the skin to make sure all the features are back in action. For some flush on those cheeks, I'm taking Master Flush Creator by Maybelline and just doing the normal blush jazz, nothing too much. For highlighter, which is a very very important step if you have spectacles on because it can actually bring out your features even more. Taking the Nykaa Glow Getter highlighter in the shade 03 Moonshine and taking the lighter shade and highlighting all those high points of my face, especially concentrating on the nose and the inner corner of my eyes. Taking MAC Fix Plus in the rose variant, just a quick shower, fanning it a little bit and melting it all into my skin with the help of my beauty blender. Eyebrows can bring out your features and frame your face, so just do a little overboard with those eyebrows. It is fine, it is okay. I'm also gonna do that today. I usually don't do that, but yeah, let's do it. Taking the Plum Nature Studio Kajal, just gonna tightline those eyes, just normal thing. Taking the darker shade of the same highlighter, I'm gonna be taking it on my fingers and just gonna highlight my lids. It will actually reflect very nicely through your spectacles, so yeah, do that. Trust me, it will look very very nice. Taking the Faces Canada mascara and just gonna normally do the thing, just applying the mascara. Taking the Lip Gradation by Maybelline in the shade Mauve 1, which is one of my favorite nudes out there, to be honest. This one is something that has been always in my purse whatsoever. So yeah, with that we finished the look and it's the time to rock on in those spectacles. Sorry for that weird breakage of my voice. Yeah, awkward. Anyway, so I hope you guys liked what you see. Please hit the like button, comment down below with some love, and if you want to see this face again and again, you know what to do. Subscribe to The Green Room. So bye.